In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create and use tags in Freshdesk, as well as automate them for smarter ticket management. Let's get started by diving into the process of creating tags. First, you will need to navigate to the Admin section. Then head over to Agent Productivity and find the Tags option. Here, you'll see the button to add a tag. Simply click on Add Tag and type in the name of your desired tag. Remember, your tag should be concise yet descriptive, keeping it within the 32-character limit. Once you've created your tags, they'll be available to use across different areas like tickets, contacts, and articles. Now, let's talk about how to add these tags to individual tickets. Open up any ticket and locate the Tag field in the Ticket Properties panel, which is generally found on the right side of your screen. If you're looking at a ticket on the Mint plan, you'll notice the Add Tag option conveniently placed above the ticket message. Here, you have two choices. You can either type in a new tag, which will simultaneously create and apply it, or you can choose from the existing tags you've previously set up. Sometimes you may find the need to tag multiple tickets at once, perhaps when dealing with a series of similar inquiries or issues. To do this, navigate to your ticket list. From here, you can select multiple tickets by clicking the checkboxes beside each one. Once selected, locate the Bulk Actions drop-down menu. Choose the Add Tags option, and this will allow you to add existing tags or create new ones right on the spot for all selected tickets. This feature is invaluable for maintaining organization and efficiency, especially in high-volume help desks. To supercharge your efficiency, let's explore how you can automate the tagging process using rules. Freshdesk provides powerful automation tools such as dispatcher and supervisor rules. Using them, you can set up conditions that automatically tag tickets without manual intervention. For instance, a handy rule could be, if a ticket's subject or description contains a specific keyword, a tag is automatically applied. It's important to keep in mind that tags added via supervisor rules might not apply instantaneously. They could take up to an hour to appear unless other conditions are triggered. That wraps up our introduction to creating, using, and automating tags in Freshdesk. By implementing these strategies, not only can tagging simplify your ticket management system, but it can also significantly boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to apply these steps to take your Freshdesk ticket management to the next level.